She doesn't scare the deer away?
Look at the deer. Oh, I thought he was looking at... Oh, here she comes, babe. This little guy right here. Oh, look at... Here goes. Scare him off. And then there's a little baby over there.
Uh-oh, here comes
Look at...
Piggy.
Here comes little pig.
Look.
Why is this blurry all of a sudden? That's baby. Throw one to baby, babe. Isn't that cute? She goes, that is pretty darn good. Baby says, I just came out of home. Look at them out. Look how close they are together.
She must be hungry.
Look at that baby. Isn't she cute? Her little spots. Mama, get your baby. Oh, you did it. Do it again.
You missed it, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Kiss him in. Hold it up there, babe.
I'll try to when she gets up here.
Oh, she's getting awfully close.
Here comes baby.
Here comes the baby. Look at her. Look at her. She goes, what's this creature over here? Hope it doesn't hiss at her. Mama, tear her apart. Look at that. She knows her baby's nearby. Look at her. She goes, I don't like him that close to her. Throw some over to the raccoon.
Let me check the chicken patty.
Yeah. She won't do it. That little bitty thing. Isn't she cute?
Sure is little.
Mm-hmm. Mama, your baby just ran off.
Yep. Around my head one time.
Mm-hmm. I saw it.
Little buddies eating together. Could that deer hurt that raccoon, babe?
I don't know. That raccoon could probably slice that deer, too, with the claws.
They're awfully close, aren't they? That's it, guys. It's all gone. Look at... That's the mama one. She's the one that's really hungry. But baby won't let her in the yard. God, they're awfully close. Whoa! She snorted at
I
him.
don't think I better stay around here.
Yeah, she snorted at him.
She's looking for a baby.
Yeah, she's going, wait a minute.
little one was licking the salt block. First time I seen her do that.
Is it chicken then?